All right, folks, today we're looking at Kerasal. This is one of the best and #1 selling products on Amazon for nail fungus. Has about 35,000 reviews and almost a 5-star rating. And they claim that you will see a difference in 2 days for nail thickness, color, everything, and just getting rid of your nail fungus. So, comes in a tube like this. I'm going to show you how to apply it, and I know that's important to you. Now you're just going to gently put it on your feet. Going to put an entire layer on your nail. Okay. Use the applicator tip to just kind of rub it around, and you're even going to make sure you get it under the nail. Get any potential nail fungus. You're going to use it on all of your nails. Oh, put a little too much on that one. And again, make sure to get under the nail to kill any potential fungus that may be living there as well. Now, this nail may have a little bit of issue, so let's see it up close. And yeah, you should use this twice a day for 7 or 8 days. And then after that, just use it once a day for maintenance until the bottle runs out is my recommendation. But really a great product. You're going to want to order this one today, and before you do anything, before you put it on any shoes or anything of the sort, just go ahead and let it dry. So get all around the nails, underneath, around the nails, underneath, and the applicator tip is really nice. Around the nails, underneath. And you see, I'll show you this pinky toe. He looks like he might have the most problems here with just a little bit, so we'll get all around him. So great product. It's called Kerasal. This is the 0.33 fluid ounces, and this will show you improvement in just 2 days. So go ahead and order today. This is tried and true, #1 doctor recommended, visible results in 2 days, and clinically proven. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.